What attracted you to University of Tsukuba?
So the officers from University of Tsukuba came to my undergraduate university in Vietnam to introduce the graduate programs. So I was interested and I contacted several Vietnamese students studying at Tsukuba University. And from the saying, I was very fascinated and thrilled with all the high academic quality, the good technologies, and the good lab environments in this university. So I decided to join in the Tsukuba University.
Okay. And how did you come to know your research group or research supervisor?
So my program doesn't require students to know the professor at first, but during the first year in the program, the students have opportunities to visit several laboratories, and I go lab rotations and visit several labs, and I join this lab because this lab provides very good environment for the foreign students, and I can use English in discussion and experiments.
What are advantages for your research or thesis study in your degree program?
So I really like several advantages in this program is that the students have opportunities to do the field trips in many countries and internship in the international companies. And also during the research, I can work with the advanced technologies in the biological and also the material science. And I also have chance to present at the international conferences.
By the way, what are your main research interests?
My main research interest is the human disease, and especially on the cardiovascular disease. And my research right now focus on the how an aortic aneurysm developed.
What do you think about the living environment in our campus for international students?
I think the living environment here is pretty good. The Japanese students and officers are really kind to the foreign students, and I was impressed that the local people here patiently explain things to me when I ask in English.
By the way, how do you enjoy holiday or your free time?
There are many good restaurants and the big shopping mall near here. So I like to go shopping and eating with my friends. And also I can go directly from here to Tokyo by train to meet my friends there.
So, what are your plans after your graduation?
After PhD graduation, I want to be a postdoc in a Japanese university.
Could you describe how your research would contribute to form a better future for human beings or human society?
My research focus is aortic aneurysm disease, and this disease is hard to diagnose to notice because without the specific syndrome, and its growth can lead to a tear in the aortic wall with high risk of death. Currently, there is no effective medication treatment except surgery. So my research is to understand the initiation of aortic aneurysm development to generate the effective medicine for treating this disease.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years ahead?
So after postdoc, I want to be an assistant professor. And actually, my first choice is University of Tsukuba.
Thank you very much.